Welcome to AVI News Channel Window to Asia. North Korea tests new anti-aircraft missile. On September 30, 2021, North Korea conducted the second test of its newly designed anti-aircraft missile, according to a report released on October 1, 2021 by the North Korean state news agency KCNA. It is important to note that the missiles that North Korea has lately produced are not conventional. Instead, North Korea's most development are an unseen hypersonic missile, a ballistic missile capable of carrying nuclear bombs, and new anti-aircraft missile. Although North Korean President Kim Jong-un may not be present in person for the test is carefully monitored.